How often should I change my oil? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now that's a loaded question, and if you ask 10 different technicians, you're probably going to get 10 different answers. I'll give you the short version quick, and then I'll explain it. We recommend that you stick to about a 6,000, anywhere from 5 to 7,000 mile oil change interval, and that you use full synthetic oil. Here's one of the challenges that we're facing, is most of our automobiles have what's called variable valve timing, and that has very tiny passages, requires really good high quality oil, and it does require it to be changed fairly often. The problem is some of the manufacturers are saying that it doesn't need to be done for long periods of time. But take this 2012 Camry, for example. When it came in, it was out of oil. And the reason is we have low tension piston rings, and it's causing the engines to burn a little bit of oil. So it's important to check your oil between oil changes and then do it a little more frequently than what they recommend. There's a number of reasons they recommend the long times, and some of them are political, but I won't get into that. Bottom line is, if you stick around 5,000 miles and you check it in between, you should be able to protect your car and not end up like this Camry with bad cam phasers. Hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.